Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year 2025.
Yes, it's January 1st, 2025.
Yeah,
Who would have thought that? It's crazy.
yeah,
We are in Langkawi, Malaysia, enjoying the New Year with family,
and friends.
and we just ran away from them and jumped on a beach and decided to share some ideas with you guys for this year.
Yeah.
My name is Dan. I've been to 73 countries. I left the US 17 years ago.
My name is Chang. I'm from Malaysia, and I've been traveling with them for 7 years. I've been to 48 countries so far.
Wow, very busy.
Yeah.
So the point of this video today is to say we have an open calendar for 2025, and we'd like your ideas about where to go.
Yeah, and we will be based in Asia this year, about 6 to 12 months.
Yeah.
If you missed our Europe trip, check out our video and reports before. We've been spent in Europe for 6 months for 18 countries. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that's right. And so now we're trying to decide where to go in Asia. As you know, we've been over a lot of Asia already. We have reports on them, and Asia, we love Asia, but we want to know if there's some new places you'd like us to hit, some spots during the next 6 to 12 months.
Yeah.
And we have some ideas about new places.
Yeah, for example, Laos, we will be go to see Laos and Cambodia.
Yeah, Laos and Cambodia. Those are a couple of places I haven't been to Laos, I think, in over 10 years. Cambodia, I think it's been 5 years now. So we want to go back there and update you on some information on those two places.
And also we want to explore some small town in the Philippines and Indonesia and maybe Vietnam.
Yeah, we're always telling you guys that provinces or small towns have lower cost of living than cities, and that's true. And we generally go to like mid or large cities because that's where a lot of you always tell us to go. But we want to pick up some small towns.
Yeah.
So are there some small towns in the Philippines, in Thailand,
Indonesia, Vietnam that you want to know, or you've been there and you can be a guest star of?
Yeah, great point. So if you lived in somewhere in Asia, we'll be traveling around. We'd love to have you on the channel as a guest star.
Yeah.
So you could tell us, what you like about the place, pros and cons, maybe what your cost of living is. And if you have a channel, you can advertise it. We'll share it on our channel. Maybe you'll get more subscribers and views. So.
Yeah, and also that we also try that we want to go also to Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and China. Maybe so many choices. Our calendar is open. We just want to see as much as we can and also bring the information for you guys.
Yeah. So what are your ideas about where to go in those places? Mainly, that's kind of the main thing. We can do our own research. Obviously, we do our own research, but if you guys have some ideas, a place we haven't thought about, we'd love to do a research on it.
Yeah.
Tell us what you know about it.
Yeah, and not only the country, but the places, the name of the city or the town, So absolutely. So.
Yeah, and then sometime late this year, maybe next year, we're not, haven't decided yet. We're open to the idea. We want to head back to South America. We want to hit some of the spots I haven't been to in a long time, and a few I've never been to. I'd like to see Chile. I've never been to Chile. Been to Brazil, but it's been, 13 years since I've been to Brazil. Chung hasn't been there, so that'll be exciting.
I haven't been to Argentina. It's one of the spots that we want to go. We hear a lot of the good stuff, that the cost of living is very low in the Argentina, especially the Buenos Aires place, and a lot of digital nomad to go there.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also we want to go to Uruguay, Paraguay, and Bolivia.
Yeah.
This is a country that we haven't been together yet.
Yeah, that's right. And so South America is definitely on our radar. And so if you're in South America or you're curious about South America and you have some spots you'd like to us to hit, let us know the name of the town, and feel free to drop a few sentences. Let us know what it is you like about the town, and we'll research it.
Yeah.
So that's on the menu for us, maybe early next year or late this year. So, yeah.
So we can't wait to explore more about Asia, because I found that cost of living in Asia is more affordable than the Europe and other countries.
Yeah, most of the world. Yeah. Asia does win in that category for sure, cost of living. So also we'd like to know maybe if there's some content you would like when we do reports on a city. Is there something you'd want in the reports that we're not including? That would be great.
Yeah.
It's not much trouble for us to add things to the reports, and so let us know. That would be something we'd like.
And also that if you want to know about the certain country that we have been, we can make a video about that. Example like Albania, Vietnam, or Estonia. What else a country? And Latvia, we been, Turkey, Greece, Italy. Italy, the cost of living report will be out soon in Dan channel.
That's right.
Right now in your channel.
That's right. And then also, it's been 2 years since I've done a course. So, is there content you would like to see a course done on? I already have the Retire Overseas course, and I have the Make Money Online course. But is there something you'd like to know more about that I should create a course for? Love your ideas about that too.
Yeah, true. Very exciting for this year.
Yeah.
And also a lot of people asking that in our video, where are you right now, Dan? Where are you right now, Chiang? And actually, if you go to our website and you are one of our members, you can check the link of the clip, where is Dan today? And you will check which country, which place that we are in right now.
Yeah, and that's top right-hand corner. It says, where's Dan today?
There's a special thing for the member.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you'd like to know what's included in the membership and all the details about it, watch this video right here. So that's it. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.